guys, and welcome to today's video. We're gonna be spending a couple of days together, starting with today. It's Thursday, and I'm just gonna be showing you kind of my work from home routine, but we're also gonna do some fun stuff over the weekend. So thanks so much for being here. Mornings in my apartment are my favorite thing ever. When we get like the most light, which really helps me wake up, but what also helps me wake up is my coffee, what I always look forward to. So let's make a coffee. My absolute favorite things about working from home is that I can choose whatever outfit I want to wear, no matter how comfy, or it could be a little more cute and fun. And a huge thank you to American Eagle for sponsoring this video and helping me with my work from home outfits. I'll just show you everything I got, and then we have to decide what we're gonna wear today. Jorts are just the best bottoms this summer. I think these ones from American Eagle are the perfect like length and bagginess. I love this pair of jeans because they have an elastic waistband. They're almost like sweatpant jeans. And then I also got this pair of shorts. Love the shape of these. Once again, it is stretchy, elastic in the back. You can already see from my 3 picks, but I love how many different styles American Eagle has to offer. And I also love how many sizes, especially as a short girl. I grew up cutting pretty much every single pair of pants that I purchased because none of them would fit me. So when I see that American Eagle offers not only short, but extra short length jeans and a 000 to 20 in waist sizes online, which is crazy selection, I am so here for it that you can find a pair that fits you perfectly. Now on to some of the top. I love a white cream top, and this one is perfect because it has the cutest lace trim. I also got this top that I think could be a little more formal or almost styled as a vest. I just love the shape of this hoodie. It is such a cute casual look, but it's also like so light and soft. Another cover up option though is this cardigan. I love that it has so many holes because I think this would be the best cover up for summer. It's not like too warm. And lastly, I picked out this little halter top, and I just love this plaid print. It's so cute. Let's decide what we're gonna wear today. Definitely settled on this top, but I'm having a hard time choosing between my bottom. I have 2 very comfy options, so I would not be mad about either one of them. My first option is wearing this with these flowy denim bottoms. I've been in love with the denim tuxedo look, but my other flowy bottom alternative are these shorts that I just think are so cute and chic. Let's try on the shorts first. I love this. So cute, but let's still try on the pants option. Okay, this look is also so fun. It's like hilarious to me that I can wear all denim and still be comfortable. I'm having a hard time choosing, but I think the weather decided for me. It's been so hot out. It's been like 80s all week, so I think we're gonna have to go with the shorts. And I love that I work from home and I can wear tanks and a short all day. Now that we have our outfit settled, we can finish getting ready and we'll get started with our work day. Second coffee of the day. I don't usually do this. I try not to, but it's been a week. It's been a busy day. It's almost 5 p.m. now. I have a couple more things to finish up, but I'm getting excited for all the things that I want to do after work today. It's what gets me motivated to also get through the workday, aka more work-life home chores, but somehow it becomes fun because adulting. I'll see you guys when I clock off. Just wrapped up work for the day. It is about 5:30 p.m. so let's go over everything that I want to get done for my 5 to 9 after my 9 to 5. To be honest with you, I don't think drinking the second coffee was a very good idea. I used to drink so much coffee, and then out of nowhere it started really like affecting me, and now I kind of like get heartburn and get super jittery and all these things if I drink too much caffeine, but I couldn't let it go to waste. So today, here is what is on my agenda. I want to post, I have to like write it down because sometimes I forget. I am filming this video, which has been going on for the whole day. I have to place an order for an upcoming video. I want to go grocery shopping and I already wrote my list out. There's a specific recipe I saw on TikTok that looks so good and I want to try it. I want to go on a run or go to the gym. I've been very good at keeping up with my workout schedule. Ever since moving, I was doing pretty good before that. I would say I would run or go to the gym maybe like 3 to 4 times a week, or try to get like 10,000 steps. Like any of those things, either running, going to the gym, or getting over 10,000 steps to me qualified as like an active day. I did not keep up with that during the whole moving phase, which really set me back. I went on my first run since moving like last week and I was so sore, and I think I only ran like a mile, but it's crazy how far you can be set back from just taking a little bit of time off. But it is really hot out, so I think I'm gonna go on an evening run because I do not do well in the heat. I will like genuinely pass out. Other than that, I want to get a little bit of planning in for an upcoming trip, just a little bit of research and looking at hotels. And I also want to edit my YouTube video for next week. So we got a lot of things. And then also, this is like a non-negotiable, but I want to end the night knitting and watching Off Campus. I think I only have 2 episodes left, and that is my motivation to get everything else on my list done. I would also love to start a book. I really want to start the new Abby Jimenez book, but honestly, too many things going on right now. I do miss reading a lot though. I like don't read anymore. Guys, we have the rice soaking and I'm gonna go for a quick grocery run. I'm gonna try to be fast. I feel like this actually looks kind of cute together. Layering. I am notorious for eating a late dinner and an even later dessert, and showing you a week in my life is just going to expose me for that even more because I got distracted. Not distracted. I was responding to comments and posting, and it is now 6 p.m. Still need a grocery shop, still need to cook. Gotta get things moving. My treat. Here's the game plan. Snack time. I know I exposed myself for this, but I am intentionally gonna be eating dinner pretty late, and that's because I want to go on a run, right? I have to wait till it's cold enough so I don't die. It's 7 now. I think by the time it's 7:30, it'll be the perfect temperature to run. I'm gonna prep everything for my dinner so that when I get back, keep in mind my runs are so short because I can't run very far. So once I get back from my run, all I have to do is cook salmon, and my salad and rice will all be ready. I'm eating some of my last bits of my cowboy caviar. This has been a favorite recently. It's like a little bit more substance than pico or guac because it has beans in it. I've also been eating it on my toast for breakfast and it's been kind of good. I already washed my rice before I went grocery shopping, so all I have to do is chop up some veggies and then we'll be good to go. Beautiful, perfect timing. It is 7:25. We're right on time. My rice is washed. My veggies are chopped. I'm gonna listen to an off-campus soundtrack. I don't make the rules. The soundtrack was kind of good. We're gonna go for, I shouldn't even call it a run. We're gonna go for our little jog. Off-campus and this song. This song is so like, so dancing vibe. Okay, let's go. I'll see you in like 20 minutes. Oh, can't forget to track it. Did I even run if I didn't track it? The answer is no. I'm like a madman with my ring. It was actually so beautiful. I just got contacts. I should have gotten them kind of a long time ago, but I was just like wearing my glasses when I was like on the computer and working or driving and like doing things where I like actually needed to see. So I feel like this is the first time I've been in nature or running and I could like see more crisp, which sounds so stupid, but it was actually like kind of surreal. Like I felt like a baby opening its eyes for the first time. Anyways, I was a little stupid. I can't function when I'm like this. So even though it's like past 8, I'm gonna go shower and then we're gonna cook dinner. Best part of the day. Time for dinner and my show. I've been knitting up a storm because I've been watching so much off campus. I just connected the front. You can't tell, but I did do that. So chaotic, the knitting right now. It's also, sorry, I'm just like dumping all of my knitting anxieties on you, but I don't think I'm meeting the right gauge, but I think it'll be okay. I'll just leave that there. We have the shape of a sweater forming. And it is midnight, so I have to tell myself to stop. But you know I'm gonna be working on this tomorrow, and the day after, and the day after, and the day after. My goodness, guys, today has flown by. I don't know why, but Fridays tend to be like really busy days at work, and it's also a long weekend, so I was trying to wrap up a lot. It's like 5:30 now, but we're going over to Alex's family's house because it's his mom's birthday. I know I didn't film like anything today, but that's how the work days sometimes pan out. Guys, happy Saturday. It's finally the weekend, and this weekend we have some really fun stuff planned. I planned a little belated birthday trip for Alex, so it's a surprise, but you guys are coming with us. We had a little impromptu find on the side of the road. That is now in our kitchen. Had lunch, and it's time for our first coffee stop.
It's good. I gotta get to the strawberry though.
Oh. How is it?
Not too sweet, good.
Aww.
Here. Good.
We might be slightly underdressed. What do you think we're doing? Alex doesn't know what we're doing.
I have no idea. So all I know is that it's partially inside, partially outside. We're gonna be cold, and it's bad to be late.
Yes.
I don't know, and it's not food. It's not food, so I don't know. Outdoor concert is the only thing I can think of.
Okay.
I can think of.
guys, we just made it back from the city, and remember that little dresser we found? It was a whole mess getting it here, but voila! The 2 dressers are necessary. I'm gonna have a little fun organizing this a bit, and the best part, the reward, is gonna be decorating it. I haven't really decorated anything in our apartment yet because not much of it has been put away. How this little dresser area turned out. I know it's just a small thing, and honestly I'll probably mix things up as we go, but I think it's looking so cute. Just to do a little overview, I just made a little display for a couple of my favorite perfumes. So I have this little tray that I thrifted. I have a little glass like jar thing that was from Daiso, and I used to use it to hold jewelry. I'm not really sure what's gonna go in there right now. And then I just left these photo strips that we literally took this weekend here. They're so cute. I think I'm gonna frame these, do some kind of craft, make decor. For now, I'm just leaving them here, and they kind of look cute, honestly. And then I have this mirror, which I also thrifted. And then on this corner, I have this kind of like quartz jar that's really nice. It's from this store, I forgot what it's called, in Santa Monica, that has like all, I think it was under $25 items, which is pretty good. And the quality is so nice. And I just have like really random stuff in here, like scrunchies, aquifer. Guys, I'm gonna end off this video here. Thank you so much for joining me for this little week or couple of days in my life. It was so fun to explore the city with you and bring you guys along with me for a couple of productive work days, but also just a couple of fun days in my weekend. But other than that, thank you guys so much for joining me, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.